Money does not come to our end, as I tell you earlier on time. Just for Across the Bridge. I will get the one and only, the birthday guy in the building. Sorry, birthday lady in the building.
Well, I be birthday girl. See, nothing wrong if you call me that.
It's too early to start. This is your birthday. Just conform with anything I attached to you.
No.
Okay, birthday girl, because it's yesterday on your birthday. So birthday girl in the building.
Better.
Welcome to Across the Bridge. My name is Naro Ambi. I know you have met me before, but let me introduce myself again just for you. Anyway, welcome. Lady J, how body now? How things now?
Are they alright? Are they okay?
How was the birthday celebration? Hope you had a great time.
Well, I enjoyed myself yesterday.
Yeah.
And like I tell somebody called me yesterday, I say, well, on a good day, I suppose don't do photo shoot, but things where I expect to work out, no work out like that. But all the same, we sit and.
But the photos you use, were nice though.
I know them be old pictures, but if I don't tell you, say them be old pictures, you know.
You not go no. So no need to everything go. Can't the reason go that.
No, I don't talk say based on how most times I they run.
Your Mara, based on new photos or new berry.
Yes, and all that one, but. All the same, I still did okay.
So what will be the high point of your birthday celebration yesterday?
First of all, thank you very much to Oga Olamide.
Yeah, and I'll see you, man.
You do me well yesterday. Give me birthday gift. I really appreciate them. It means so much to me. Then, when I did go house, they contact me, say one listener drop gift for me. When I open them, na wrapper. Very beautiful wrapper. Ankara.
Oh.
Ankara. Wow.
Wow.
The name is Zebulon.
Zebulon. That's
thank
nice.
You.
That's nice. That's nice.
Very, very, very beautiful.
You pop yesterday. You pop.
I thank God. And all the messages, the calls, the prayers, the wishes, I did very, very grateful. Honestly. And like I talk now, life, first of all, we did celebrate.
Yeah. Another year to year.
Another year.
Age not be joke.
Not be joke because I think that January, I got commot it and I can't find out later say it to say I no come more time for become an emergency
case. Yeah, now when we say anything concerning teeth, you notice early go the dentist. If now the fee fees or give you medication to heal, they go do it. Now the fee come my dear sister, my bro, come on time.
You know that's my favorite that time. My face can't swell. Even disfigure am small because
of the swelling for
the swelling and then can't reach under. So my friend will be dentist. We don't get 2 times to ask the professional. And when she looked at the picture, she say, thank God say you go at the time where you go. If not, because as she looked the picture of the teeth where them come out, she said, pause there. I say, he day. She said, you don't become, no be just tooth extraction now. Infection self don't even follow the enter small by small. So for that particular reason. But they tell
you what it costs and you don't stop her.
Waiting me that.
What it cost the tooth?
They say the crown of the tooth will be the top of the teeth don't break.
It don't break.
So
nothing could be done. Break and waiting like say sometimes dentists go tell you so see waiting and waiting contribute to how you get to this stage so that you go avoid and me not be see you end up going back to the hospital.
Teeth. What I don't learn the past 2 weeks and I say teeth problem. They just show like that. It go down start small. Maybe they pay attention. I remember like a few years ago when it swells small, I go dentist and they look and they say, then give me 2 options. At that time they say, okay, either they go come out or they go use one kind treatment, but they're not sure whether that one go work.
Okay.
You get so.
But at least you
they can't give me
antibiotics
right to even manage them, but. For that one self, I just did thankful. Say I no get.
You not pass like that.
I no pass like that at all. So
that's to say you had a great time yesterday.
Yes, definitely.
I don't know whether I declare for people for office, but Lady J declared for me this morning. Yes. Lady J secured breakfast for me. In as much I've not eaten it yet, but I know say just position the
wait for you.
I can't consume. So big shout out to Lady J. I don't know if you declare for people yesterday.
I don't declare for anybody.
Because that means they jealous me. I say no, let me Lady J declare.
No, now one by one.
The next thing that they think say me and you get behind rapport say you do better now let me you buy food for
nothing behind nothing in front.
People they talk easily.
Nothing behind nothing in front. Godwin don't even don't buy me.
They okay declare for you yesterday.
No, not yesterday. Now today go declare.
Declare for you. Okay.
So that one day. Yeah. So now one by one.
Yeah.
I did run.
And I'm not gonna lie. I also did pretty impressed with the video where I see of you and Godwin they dance with Fizz on the beat yesterday. For the first time you beat Godwin for dance. Godwin give up wrong come on the video. And you follow up with Fizz. Hey, give them. Today is my birthday. Not be yesterday.
Not yesterday.
Yeah, no. Give them. They throw away dance. If you never check out the video, go check out today at Niger 102 FM on top of our Instagram. Right now, go check them out. You get me. Anyway, so Lady J, before I leave you for studio right now, you get what you want to share with us based on recent development.
Two things. You see the trend up till now. The Bobrisky winning best dressed female is still a trend. And if you ask me, I see him as an insult on females, on women, because women did here. In fact, Portable called him out yesterday. You say you go do Bobby, you do Baka, but we still all of us sabi say your headquarter is still there. So you know if they call yourself woman, you they call sisterhood. If you call my hood, I go beat you. You know they talk some things yesterday, you know, because of how Portable they talk. If you play that kind arrangement or you know.
They use a lot of curse words. Even Bobrisky to use it. They just it. So now what I talk this morning say. For the first time, we got to see Idris instead of Bobrisky because Portable bring out the real Idris come outside. Yes. Because if you not pay attention, if you don't know say the fight between Bobrisky and Portable, if you listen to the voice notes, you go dey shock say na
Idris.
You get because clearly as I say, now my voice be this and where the baddest no Portable drag the real Idris come outside, and you go notice it from the voice of Idris aka Bobrisky. He did so annoyed
yes.
with her. So they say forget saying in the form woman voice. They go straight. As is the same voice note. Whether Portable the record the own down, if they fire and back the reply, if they send you. Like I listen to voice that I got tired. Even me when they understand Yoruba in all totality, be like, oh God, this one is too much. You get. So first of all, I talk earlier on that video of whoever be the organizer behind that movie premiere when they take give Bobrisky best dress na a PR stunt. They know say doing that go make wetin don already happen for the last 24 hours, and that is why we are discussing this. If it was given to an actual female, whether na Tony Ibrahim or any other female actresses, we for not dey talk about her now. Nobody for even hear about that movie, but it was intentionally done to say, oh, more give Bobrisky because now the actress go complain, and by extension, the people outside who are we go also complain, and they go throw light enter. Now yesterday I even seen a movie premiere when they do. Not be even an award show.
Na movie premiere.
Whether not two beasts of a something. A big beast of something.
I don't know the
movie.
I don't forget the title of the movie because some notable celebrities actually we go.
So it was intentional.
Very, very.
Those are strategic PRO arrangement when they happen, whether not for the movie industry or for the music industry. Now, when you know somebody want release album or release, it goes start to cost everybody.
So that they go push attention to the
say because most time you don't forget say that person ever existed before that particular arrangement happened. So that make us sometimes I know they want to react to it because I know what he actually mean. I don't feel waste my energy on things like that. So if we not there already talk about and I just as a me to also enlighten people, me know they waste their energy. I don't talk about them, but it was certainly a PRO arrangement to draw more light to whatever they were doing. But now the aftermath don't go another level. Portable kind of put for head. Yeah, I think it because of that word when you use for Boris, I make they go back and forth. Boris come accuse and say you they follow me before, you went like me, this and that, book. Now they take go back and forth. But last, I talk something in the morning, which I'll say repeat right now. Not allow if you not give chance for foundation to evil happen. Because some of us because we be hypocrites, we will allow foundation come up. Then we'll come wait see when he reach the roofing time to come and complain.
Say CRCB. The truth of the matter now say I talked this yesterday. I say most of these women where they complain. Now they
be supporters of her.
No, be then give them the name Mommy of Lagos.
Yeah, Oshe, Barra.
You see what I'm saying? They spray her money.
So
if if Bobrisky say in they do housewarming party,
all of them
go pop go there.
They do video.
All and now they talk all those things. So what can't happen now because of say of that award 9 suddenly they can't remember say na cross dresser.
Double standard. So when he not pay me. Na bad thing. If they pay me, na good thing. Because before now, before this whole best dress award, when then complain bad, before now, then rolling with Bobrisky, they throw more clout to waiting that they do. Oh, I go Bobrisky, or I invite Bobrisky to come for my movie. Oh, hey, I'm going to this movie because Bobrisky get followers. You don't ask who be the people when they follow. How many Nigerians?
I remember one video.
So then they benefit from before now. Now I say if you not complain of the foundation, don't complain of the building,
of the roofing. I remember one particular video where I see some years ago, some 3 individuals, Nigerians, then go tattoo Bobrisky for their body.
Because they expect to get money from them.
And it actually get money because when then
not be all of them. Now
the 3 of them, I watched the video, yes. Bobrisky invite them to in house, say make them show them the tattoo. One do for hand, one do for back, one do I think for chest or wesha. Then see Bobrisky give each of them 100K. So you get those kind people where they do these kind things. How you think say this kind Bobrisky no go continue to the day every our faces when even individuals they support this kind of parole because of money.
Just I tell you what it be the thing. We be double standard people. Anything when benefit us na connection I been a good thing. Anything when not benefit us na corruption. Now so we just operate like we are all guilty of it as a citizen of this country. Now why we be double standard people. We tend to only speak about things when we not feel benefit from and support things when we dey benefit from. You get now waiting I just see be that because all those people they complain say, oh how come you win? But every one of them if you go back and check they don't they be like friends and well wisher of the same person when they go with the
hell mommy of Lagos.
So why did they complain? Because they not going to give their best dress. They feel say oh na man. Okay,
why you give her why you not give them name mommy of Lagos? Why?
Everybody go there alright, Lady J. Leave all those women, including Bobrisky when they transfer to be women too. Leave all of them. They go there alright. Which other one you be get one?
Okay, so
right?
very dark man.
Yeah.
Don't they behind bars since weekend?
You guys are happy, right?
So who? Well, I even know when they mbaba. For what reason when they mbaba? I still they try find out.
No, you guys are happy.
Who be the we guys?
Yeah.
We guys based on. I know they're happy for anybody down for.
Okay.
The only reason why I talk about that man because of a queen, but not be queen say make them go carry him now.
Okay.
So now a protest they go on right now. I think for Abuja or for where? For Abuja for his release. Say free the very dark man. I guess they be one they release him.
They give him a very extreme big condition. 200 million. A landlord in Abuja and.
Passport. This is in passport.
Yes, passport. This and that. Lady J. I will just say this. I not talk past like that. An average Nigeria is an oppressor. You're only a victim to oppression because you never see the environment where enable you to be an oppressor. Simple as that. And matters like this, not suppose even the police reach this kind of time.
I get
simple.
You.
We be oppressor. I don't want to use the word by birthright, but an average Nigeria is an oppressor. The only reason you never be oppressor and say you never see the environment where enable you to be an oppressor. Now where you be victim of oppression. You get the moment you see that opportunity and that environment, guess what? Every other person will be victim to you.
Wow.
And waiting the happen. And police they always playing to be an instrument of that. Sometimes because police go there on their own. Me go carry matter go give matter was about your set to face. I'll kind of go invite police because they get one or two things to benefit. They not get. They need to don't pick up person. Matter was about will leave them for police station.
In as much as you say okay, some of these senators then they get parole to with or levels with Bobrisky. You don't mention any senator name now.
You don't mention and also
you don't mention any senator
which you talk and I say it's almost like pushing them to the wall. Say una create law to say things like this not they allowed. Oh, how come una they allow this same person for so long? Oh, that means una get if una no get something, I'm gonna use that law take pick am up. So how I want to put on now. You know when you I want me you do the right thing, but I want to involve you say you get hand for this matter or you prove me wrong.
I get you.
Yeah, what they get what they call it for psychology.
Reverse psychology.
Yeah.
Reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology. Is that the terminology to describe that? Yeah, it's like you want make I do the right thing. So trying to make me, because you want me to do the right thing. You dey tell me say, oh, you dey part of this bad thing. So you can't dey left for me to say, I want to prove you wrong. I not dey part of this thing.
Psychology.
Okay. Yeah. So I think now waiting we dey try. One do not be say these people really get anything. It's like, okay. So if una create law, why una never deal with this guy?
Police, no get hands
you get. Or prove me. Pick up this guy. Pick up the same way you also tell to DK say prove me wrong. You not be this lover. You get, because I know say, oh, now you send my picture, give her, now you do this one, now you do that one. So now so you did like push people. So you not trying to justify your one
prove I'm wrong.
But here we are right now. Everything just happened almost at the same time. And I know say the truth is, may I tell you the truth. You see that person went to give it arrest her. I think it was a Monday or a work day. A working day you get. He get that because there was no issue. In there aware. This one you don't know they go he has, according to the information, they go he has, go pick him up unexpected on a Friday. And anybody when you arrest for Nigeria on a Friday, there's no pay for you for Saturday and Sunday till Monday. And before then, you don't hear things all. You get me. Now, why yesterday I talk and said not this practice is not done anywhere else in the rest part of the world. Now yesterday let me know say in Italy they do the same thing. Now somebody say now advanced Nigeria now be Italy. So, but it is.
God.
I don't know, but I hope is that you speak on. I know say waiting will end the last. Once you come and said, oh, tell us me do apology video and the rest. You get me.
But I think say freedom of speech. Freedom of speech.
Freedom waiting. So this now waiting Nigerians never understand. This same part of the law when they tell them, which is cyberbullying. If you now make people don't use until end up for jail. So this cyberbullying right now, it was passed into law. I try to remember the year. It never to tell when they pass into law. It go see come hunt me and you soon. It go hunt every Nigerian and when they celebrate, see now they take back.
Very dark man.
Very dark man. Because if you read that particular cyberbullying arrangement, if you talk anything when I not like on top Instagram, now for me to your carry police go pick you up. So it's possible. Just I think that Sheikh Kuti they took her. He said, "More than no worry. She be election they come. All this one way they talk say, oh, you are Agbado this, you are this and that. I'm not sure say cyberbullying don't do when they do general election. I'm not sure. They never pass into law.
No.
A lot of people spend time for jail because the next day you wrote this comment. You know see what the person went tell Robbie to EFCC chairman. They pick him up now. That's cyberbullying now.
Wow.
Yes, now. So. Celebrate for somebody right now. Your own they wait you for front because you go be the next victim very very soon. And see our prison go full very soon.
They call them keypad warriors.
So I want beg you in advance, please. If you be one of those when they talk rubbish online, mind wait you they talk. To find your address, no hard though. They will find your address. See this cyberbullying. Hey God.
They will find you.
If you tell me say, oh, I don't be not where. Oh, see how you dress. I don't report to police. I'll pick you up. That's cyberbullying. It's not sincerity.
All of now we go they attack Lady J. Lady J this, Lady J that.
I know they talk for social media and radio.
Which radio? WhatsApp? Not be social media.
Okay, one radio for no. Nobody attacking. We are only playing with it.
No be you I they refer to. No be you I they refer to.
But please just be careful from now on because you see that cyberbullying. Oh God, if only you know, you might be celebrating for another man, but yours is coming forward. It wait for you. Yeah, so be careful. Stay safe out there though. Leje don't take over on top a workshop and you go there from now till 4 p.m. Leje looking beautiful. I wish I can just briefly go online. No time don't go. Don't day.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.